inside my head. There's a lot of things I could have said. You don't know anything at all. They said to get a job, they didn't respect the heat that I was packing. So I sent them home in a body bag. Yeah, I'm a little pissed off. I spit bullets for the crowd. They may be non-lethal, but the impact is enough. And they said, hey, it's nice to meet you. And I said, fuck you, I am done. Join my merry little band of masochists. Say goodbye to your friends. Say sorry, make amends. Keep your heart close to you. Don't let them know what we're gonna do. No regrets. Push the limits and burn the witch. Break the angel's wings. And I am falling down so hard today. No regrets. Push the limit, I'll die with it. Don't you worry now. Hang them high. I feel bad for the other side. I'm a mess. I can't even tell you that. I'm always pretending to be something I'm not. This nightmare's never ending. I'm sorry, I'll get a job. I have a bag of masks to wear when I'm in trouble or when someone's in my personal bubble. They call me the angel of death. I suppose there's some truth in that. I may not have much, but this gang is mine. We won't last forever, but let's win this time. I'm sorry